Hello everyone, welcome. We are learning vowel sounds to help you pronounce American English better, and the vowel sounds as represented by the International Phonetic Alphabet. In this lesson we are going to look at the long A. Let's get started. First, a quick review of what we've already learned in previous lessons. The short A, represented by this symbol in the IPA, a, bat, cat, hat, rat, sat, have. The short E, bed, read, fed, yes. Which is the short I, it, sit, hit, bit. The short O, top, pop, mop, hop. The short U, us, sun, duck. Okay, so let's listen to our new sound. A. Okay, the sound that you just heard, A, is represented by the symbols that you see here. A, in the International Phonetic Alphabet. It's two sounds actually together. A. Let's try a word. So we're going to add this sound. K. Ache. One more sound. K. Ache. Put it all together. Cake. Which word is it in English? Cake. Let's try another word. So we have t, late. Next word. So we have play. This is the word play in English. In the IPA, play. In English, play. Let's look at an example in a sentence. I like to eat cake. Remember, when you're pronouncing this word, the sound is A, cake. Another example with the word late. Remember, A, late. Don't arrive late. Don't arrive late. An example with the word to play. They like to play soccer. Remember, A, play. All right, more words with the A sound. Remember, A. This is the long A. We call it the long A in English. Day, play, say, stay, away, okay, today, aid, able, paid, wave. So if you remember the sound A, you can pronounce all of these words in American English. So let's review everything that we've learned in these lessons so far. So, a, cat, bed, it, top, us. And now the long A, day. All right, well, that's it for this lesson. Remember, like, share, subscribe. To continue learning the IPA, or the International Phonetic Alphabet, click on the video that appears here on your screen. I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a great day.